everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking about birthdays, and in Cantonese, birthday is called Sanya, and in Hakka, Sangye. So to wish someone happy birthday in Cantonese you'd say Sanya Phai Lo, and in Hakka, Sangye Khai Lo. Did you know, in Chinese culture, the gestational period is also counted, so when you actually give birth, your child is technically one. Speaking of age, in Cantonese it's soi, and in Hakka, soi. So you could ask someone, how old are you? So in Cantonese it'd be Legay do soya, and in Hakka it'd be Nigi do soi. Aside from wishing someone happy birthday, you'd want to wish them longevity, and in Cantonese that's sao. In Hakka, siu. So birthday boy or birthday girl is called sao sing zai and sao sing lui. So to celebrate birthdays, you usually throw parties. In Cantonese, that's pai doi, and in Hakka, sang it wui. Within birthday parties, you'd have your birthday cakes, and in Cantonese, it's called sanyat dango, and in Hakka, sangit tangao. Chinese birthday cakes are usually chiffon cakes, decorated in cream and fruits. If you're interested in how to make a chiffon cake, I have a video in another playlist that shows you the ingredients and method. So on top of birthday cakes, you have your candles, which my kids love blowing out. Candles in Cantonese is called lap chok, and in Hakka, lap chok, which is very similar sounding. A Chinese tradition that's not very popular in the UK is making red eggs. Red eggs in Cantonese are called hong gai dan, and in Hakka, feng gai tan. Just like going back to the Chinese New Year video, the red is used to symbolize prosperity and good luck. Another traditional food item are peach buns. In Cantonese, peach buns are sao bao, and in Hakka, siu bao. Those are to resemble longevity as well. Moving away from food, you have different decorations at birthday parties, and balloons are one of them. Balloons in Cantonese is hei kao, and in Hakka, hi kiu. Usually guests bring birthday presents to the party, and presents in Cantonese is called lei mut, and in Hakka, li mut. They also bring birthday cards, and in Cantonese that's san yak ka, and in Hakka, sang ka. Sometimes the older Chinese generation skips presents altogether. They give red packets instead. So just like the Chinese New Year, red packets are called lai si in Cantonese and li si in Hakka. It wouldn't be a birthday party without a birthday song. So birthday songs in Cantonese are called san yak go, and in Hakka, sang it go. So for the next part of the video, I'm going to summarize in Cantonese and then in Hakka. In Cantonese, birthday, Sanyat, Sanyat. Happy birthday, Sanyat Phai Lo, Sanyat Phai Lo. Age, Soi, Soi. Longevity, Sao, Sao. Party, Pai Doi, Pai doi. Birthday cake, sanyat dango, sanyat dango. Candles, lap chok, lap chok. Red eggs, hong gai dan, hong gai dan. Peach buns, sao bao, sao bao. Balloons, hei kao, hei kao. Birthday presents, lei mat, lei mat. Birthday cards, sanya ka, sanya ka. Red packets, lai si, lai si. And birthday songs, sanya go, sanya go. Now for the summary in Hakka. Birthday, sangye, sangye. Happy birthday, sangye kai lo, sangye kai lo. Age, soi, soi. Longevity, siu, siu. Party, sangye wui, sangye wui. Birthday cake, sangye tangao, sangye tangao. Candles, lap chok, lap chok. red eggs, 鳳雞攤，鳳雞攤 peach buns, 燒爆，燒爆 balloons, 氣球，氣球 birthday presents, 禮物，禮物 birthday cards, 生日卡，生日卡 red packets, 利是，利是 and birthday songs, 生日歌，生日歌 I'm going to end the video with a birthday song that I made in Cantonese. 祝你生日快樂，祝你快高長大，祝你身體健康，祝你心想事成。Hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye.